Just wanted to take a quick vid of this one. I don't think I've seen a black on black full RX 500 H Esper Performance. I think the one I had, if I recall, had the optional wheels that were gray. This one is completely murdered out. This is factory. So those are the stock wheels for the RX 500H. Those multi kind of fork spoke ones are the optional ones that many of the dealers are adding as accessories, which also look good, but they're gunmetal, they're not all black. Just kind of wild to me how this is all blacked out from the factory. And one thing I do like, because the mirrors are black no matter what the color are, so they match perfectly here. And there's no silly chrome here that on some of the other models, I don't know why they keep a little chrome strip here. And you can see the window trim is all that really nice satin gunmetal. I love the fact that it's not black. It's like a nice satin gunmetal. And I'll go to the rear to the emblem, which is chrome, but this is not. Have a chat with these guys. I think it's beautiful. I'll have to grab the keys to this one. The interior, as you can see, is red. I just happened to come up here for a second and saw this beautiful spec.